But now, what highlights of the year you're doing? The whole year. Stories about your foreign, local, near pan your highlights. Yeah. Pa because we dear from January to December 2025.
Okay.
Then pan your highlights of the year.
You have been a demonstration Save Ghana football. Was it last year?
Last year.
I know last year.
That was AFCON 2023.
Okay.
You call a Cote d'Ivoire by
okay. And yeah, me call the minister decision.
Okay.
Say obe kate Costa a free national team in the mono.
Okay.
Full dear oteso.
Okay.
Hotel dear. Because I had to be in Egypt, Papa. Otis in Egypt, no. Boys need to be born.
Okay. So it didn't affect the team.
Never. What I say? Yes, he can't go on near the bono. Yes, yes, says Kegum Kwa, and it me about.
Okay.
The budget now, so I think a year major highlights of the year.
Right.
My sports personality of the year. I had to focus very on Benjamin Asare.
Okay.
Black Stars goalkeeper #1.
Benjamin Asare,
yes.
Your sports personality of the year.
Yes.
Okay.
Right. Because department our Black Stars are for the past years.
Yeah.
Now you soon pa goalkeeping department.
Okay.
But oba no, oba calm things down.
Okay.
I say no akwa antidote to your goalkeeping problem.
Wow.
Yes.
So soon.
So soon.
Because oba in China it's more solve that problem.
Oba especially wakwa local based player. Now local for no kwa yenhu omo modern money ye.
Okay.
And I yen time omo chance so as omo grab it. But ono no de okoye was obato no say twitwe.
Wow.
The Benjamin Asare SM Miss Sports Personality of the Year 2025.
Okay.
I don't know.
Fantastic. Minim mama me lines na me fa Ghana for adwen chebe 5 on their sports personality of the year no. Just 5 calls pe. Na me pese almost form de mra.
Yeah.
My fee omo ne year sign from January to December. Oma ya de pa. It's almost form de mra just 5 calls. 5 course na yero mo the review no and then some the doso is an safi and you must see oh and you must see say after say JDM can say there should be a reset almost shall say from the GFA now budget bia na if no dey back on the Black Stars or the national team no
okay
you get the public no when you say it's a job for bisa honorable say the budget no yeden yes some month no
okay
you be some the budget
every year dey ampa
trainer you be so just see so ha say eh there be ukasa na is one for need am mampanyin so na o ma appointment on e gina Ghana for na
yes
obe kan asase no be ani age afia be bisa o say there and new 1 month and I'm fair press conference and I was invited and I was there myself.
Oh okay.
And I honor or say budget no come tete ne ma be so
okay
say no kind say no your highlight ma me come man so na me for me first caller. Hello, good morning official panso.
Morning that board here
na me do be a finance way.
Oh Mr. Boko,
right, why no sports personality of the year?
Maybe I'm sports personality of the year. Fatal
Shahaku, fantastic. Okay, and our highlight of the year so you then I feel na dem pan see ya wo kai say we dey feel there when they see what you sports in him.
Oh, I'm not young kwa afcon na eshilo se go afcon pana Ghana ni pa
oh kafra. All right, me that's be bro penny. Okay, it's also the no. Seen the sports personality of the year near Fatal Shahaku, which is also laudable.
Okay,
because since I brand to pry, AC or no pry, if you want to me 12 months now returning.
No correct.
Yes,
I come back.
Yes, you won't go be so feature. But you are back or you could now when it
can be.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Minian.
Near Frost F and free.
Yeah, from Adams, because of what I
okay, Adams, young quay.
I'm about to send you Minian Kai and I SM Bonabasu Pa Bonabasu SM or ya be And I die one can answer to know me that has a much where me now.
Oh, Kafra.
And you want to me bow about so papa, and this shall say, yeah, we do my dear was also next year. But you who we am in Sale.
Wow,
you can me bow about so papa. If I said I'm about to be a diary, I was a very well. And we get dear. Many to go to my water. Yago and shout papa.
We shall so Bradams. Munuha in your it's no Monso, more contribution and the show ye. Kama.
Oh, yes.
Thing I had a massipa. It's no, I want to say SM. Okay. And
highlighting also boxes 2 and the wee after
yes.
Oh, Kruma.
And no name me highlighter, me person me kai kra. Because so because say in tam kesia, they just on best of kai kra.
That be.
Inti Ghana yen tam kesia ba ko pa no. Na me ba me samba ho.
Okay.
Hello Finshapo.
Me kasa bi takwade.
Yo, tadi fo bia ho ye de.
Yeah, me show power TV so.
Me da se pa ne fra o se wan mo odi an kire mi o.
Me police, Inspector Benjamin Daku.
Okay, Inspector. And open young why no sports personality of the year?
Oh, na zango wow sha. Asare na.
Oh, Benjamin Asare.
Yeah.
Wow.
No be already qualified. Or there how many matches? No, or continue how many goals?
There 4 matches one.
Very good. No, continue how many goals?
Yeah. One consider goal in the qualifiers, right?
Very good. What they am fanu go to Muka, am fanu go World Cup, right?
Okay, right. Okay. Me that's me better.
Now, would you go na mo drop na? If I am a dear pa, I'm a house of fan. I paid you every month.
Okay.
Yeah, the certificate this from 1992.
Okay. I see.
Then we get it one. Now the certificate this. It's more fun come my.
That's it, pa. Okay.
You know go pa abrosi go to Fabia pa e be hamu.
Mate. That's it, pa. Omo no. Means me that's be inspector from Takrade. O me for tum kan wo hu na me fancy. Is a line so I hot papa line so I shepa. Now on my desk and some one you might be brave ha say. Auditors General reports on the All African Games on Sensem ama JDM order so many forensic audits no. E say no so be ready by next week. Be ready by next week. But no so see one highlight. Oh, no so me ba make you asemacho. Hello Fishapo. Hello Fishapo Penny.
Oh, I'm also na Finchapa.
You're for some fun for free.
Oh, you're from a quantity from Catholic Kumasi.
Okay, back with young Quay. Why no sports?
Yeah, I'm no share. Yeah, I do pictures, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Oh, personality of mine.
Oh, Benjamin Asare na when it's here.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, you keep a beer, you're good. Me have to fancy there, and so. Me a protocol fan, but keeper there. Obviously, a quick African keeper.
Right.
Look up to your idea, say, or say, Bonabasupa.
Right. Okay, Brakwesi, but I see be Brazil, so they or the Abba. It's going to make a forensic audit. Who is a Ghana, they about come realizing it.
Okay.
In say in pay for this car. Krumha, corruption war, Africa or baby. But opinion of the Bob's original say. On to me into corruption, I say, which I know, which you also know, Ghanaians know, say, yen to me into us here, but Obama na brasse.
Okay.
In synchrophobia, my dear, my Nisika, my self, my Nisikano. You be making sure, say, bring your money to justice, no. Ghana for I pay for myself. Oh, Yabama Memfa, a last but one color. Hello, good morning, Fisher Paul Penny.
Yeah.
You're frozen for now free.
Yeah, your friend in Las Vegas. It's very attractive.
Las Vegas and I'll take Accra.
Yeah.
Nice one. Young call sports personality or wine. Escobar. Why no near him?
Oh yeah, guys. Around Kingsford, Kingsford Hotel. Oh yeah, because all the time, or person or team Munkan or Shemushu no Las Vegas pub.
Wow.
Sports personality there, man.
Fantastic. Nyawoke mani age pa onim ne ntia
David
ye ka personality obi e bo omo ball obi on mo ya athletics but won so a kire se obi a ohwe show we da bia no ono no sports personality watch class pa omo mani age no pa yi omo mani age minim se won chen anka mo no so fa ne de mra
Oh, on the meeting, yeah. But one meeting, I'll let him know.
Fantastic. Yeah, that's be open.
Oh, sorry.
Right. Me for last one, I'm media sina ya twaso so studio ha say. Me send some the doors so papa some the doors be ready nyina na ya twaso so on this side na ye hu hawa e besifa akọ. And some ya go me pono so nya so.
Eh, na de on krata doors papa.
Asante kotoko ne Go Stars som ko gi omani so Africa. No so ha be do komo kakra. And Benjamin Azamatimo omo so e call Tokyo.
Okay.
Omo call e World Athletics Championship. And so ko buka mu. And let's go book a momentum so amfa medal bia am no so ha e be di nkomo am sha say from legend ye can e bia highlights of the year afine dey see wo mu pa kasa fi we die say you and us enyo no ye pa na wo kai e your highlights of the year legend
the di kan say wo hwe point Ghana fa so qualify World Cup na na en shedan da form
okay
na World Cup qualification na nipa bebre nyim say enye yie if say AFCON na anye yen nti na World Cup na ni da so ni ho
okay na form pa
very bad but nyame adom bibi papa siye
okay
ena otoado amanfo twabro otoado afi ekire no ebe dane ye say no omu ina sa dan babak say otoado ayade o de yen san fa no nko enti eni na ya ade a bitimi hu say na sheki Ghana na very tough
okay right. Me ba no maba be bisa sports personality of the year. I feel nipa bo no modern sports me maba be bisa. Alaji, your highlights of the year. Mami be 2 be.
Black Stars qualifying for the World Cup.
Okay.
It was huge. Black Queens did third. Our WAFCON.
Okay. They did bronze by no.
It was huge.
Okay.
Yeah. 4x100 meters team no. Echo World Athletics Championship.
We took you no.
Omotumi call was a final, right?
I'm call final. Nobody fourth.
And one of the best moments I enjoy.
Okay.
I say we will always want more.
Of course.
Oliver Twist. So no. The unfortunate thing that happened here. Yet we hear about AFCON. Ghana in the AFCON.
Yeah, no Ghana.
Ghana ni bia we mfida. Ye bi kran hwe o TV so. Wo ha na obi afro na channel ba ni e benya hwe.
Adi blue for na.
Moto na obi afro o na channel obi anyi e ma ye hwe. Endra me hu so obi dia to social media say for the first time or to hear French news or not on French because of AFCON. Because as I saw here,
yeah,
now to me share enjoy AFCON,
right?
And the lowest moment,
okay,
and the highest moment, and I wasn't coming out too, but to me matter,
yeah,
and maybe at the right time, no,
okay,
top 5, I bet you my top 5,
right?
Oh,
okay. Laja, my memory honomo was sports personality of the year. I finish in obetuma player. Bit my boxer, bit my athlete, bit my minister, bit my FA, obia coach, obia was sports personality of the year no. Eh why? Legend.
Hey, what to bo abo bisre.
Why fan feeling na out me send modern boss so any.
So far for the field of play, no. Kudus.
Okay.
Ade.
Okay.
Oboni homode ye ina ye hu ni performance.
Okay.
For the way our ball any so game no mu a.
Yeah.
Nioma bi o ye etimi magana e fa ni ntoma pa fry.
Okay.
Nti ono me sports personality ono na me de be ma no.
Right.
Na top 3.
Top 3 for
sports personality no. Because that's obey to mama because me decide
as it could do any sports personality.
Personality yes.
But that's a legend. Alaji also swear the sports personality.
Sports personality of the year
2025.
When you that dance I said that ho.
Debut.
And I will make seminar me go kana.
last year medema Rosen amonima ya boa last year ona medema
bekai pa
2025
obi ani ho ana
I don't want to concentrate on football until I'm able.
Okay.
Because last year Rose it was obvious.
Yeah.
Your quiet Olympic Games, African Championship, ne sound on the banning to
know. A lot of medals.
And I'm the Bemano. Medibema 100 meter athlete.
Yeah. Husseini.
Memoir na.
The 100 meters no. World Athletic Championship no.
Okay.
The 100 meters no semi-final no. And he was the African Championship as well. I'm trying to.
Is it Ibrahim Husseini?
Ibrahim Husseini.
Okay.
So on the call semi-final.
Yeah.
It's been a fantastic year. Eddie Amano.
Yeah.
Now you can say the last time I obi call 100 meters or call to semi-final no. That was way back about 20 years ago.
Cancer na.
Budebi. No.
I think is it Zachary?
It was Zachary.
Yeah.
Aziz Zachary. And until then, ne yenya 100 meters. Bia obi to me amaye that image ane yepe no.
Okay.
Na yepe medal. Yenya medal. But throughout the year, the performance what done it, you know.
Okay.
I think
the
Unisa athlete bia ewo country no ma one mind that image or their mind.
Okay.
In 2025. So I'll go for him.
Right. You go for him. It makes sense. And you know, legend say Kudus and sports personality of the year. And I like to say Ibrahim Husseini. Now, young chef, me low moments. Sa few way got to do with boxing. The low moments of the year got to do with boxing. Say obi be free ni kroma ba sa oba ba be ko. Na ye de sebe na mu e be free ha ko ni kroma ne.
We lost 2 boxers.
Yes, 2 boxers. But un say
due to people's incompetence and negligence.
Perfect. But we need here no say ring ni mu asem na esi ye no. Manya dia me pese me kai cry biom.
No.
Yeah, if there is a way I bet to me I delete it from the boxing history and
you can turn back the hands of time.
Yeah, because minim say na yere afi we no ka ka ne masisi a we ye baako a ebema we di areho papa ena ehwe no nti punch no yes afi they want to me answer bi mu no
boxer no kro ni gina ring mu kra no mi ngin di say obetumi he might not even recover from this because a heartbreaking
when him say we cry my mention there about last I think weekend freeze
freeze magbon
any we in Tokano worldwide when him say worldwide see am no kasa onye okay say uhwe na appearance ni nuama di utimu say kakra kom
okay na blues or jiji o
na o you should experience bia senka na won so freeze mu a enka ela na mini di ne ka no
na onim se
adwuma we dia me ma me ba
dabi
din na so be ma ne ba me dia
din kra me show bia na o ka ne sa ke be
o dia me ne ba do ka o si ska o
ye bo ba ko kra onim ska o be
wow
is kana no ka
be hospital.
Now on the day no na your legends ni bi wo ho minim sabu video no wo ho a lie wo ho na Stephen Apia a lot of them bafo jam nyina
ambo no nyina
right na unim minim say lie your per boxing sir
footballer bia per boxing
wow I was shocked not to wash na game unim bibi
many of them have other sports and they can't football no
even tennis
boxer bi o nso pe e bia football and they can't we no ho
na hwe ayi Gareth Bale crampo
Randy Abi krati o Stevie Apia
na
Randy ayi Gareth Bale o ka say asem no ohun also no pe golf chen football see
na minim die say o mi say enkran kasa no hu ebi ono ma enye friendly for the screen because some na lie ka no
Where there be some bay, I saw did or crona or bomaku.
Okay, into
that be make us a mumbo. Oh, that be ubet my bob because just for fun.
Okay, for fun, then I am way, and
then because lion or no, and they show you system no lie or no found. And I yes, am found because you name your lie bet my be away. And John say, oh, Nanibano also by what the audience ticket to him. Okay, such an emerguma. Then take a camera. Wow, sir, Mcranfo no. Sir, Sebio, Onyasomi no. I say, that be Mrs. Sebi. That be Sebi Onyasomi no. That be Mitchell. Okay, saw me on ye. Sebi saw me on ye. And no. Say, yeah, rise any damboats, echo ball, nungwa. Didn't cry that now. Encrophobic guachiro. How this Saka no the associates.
When I come on term in the girl community.
Only for
Tama youth Premier League. Ewo boys. Ewo. Uko Tama sports stadium no ko support Toma. Ewo boys no. Omomu chiro. Bada.
We see na.
Where for fun. E more money
for Ewo boys.
We for obi. Na me ka say na only for no some ya no more dey sign na san ka ho. We say sign we no.
No my see.
No my see.
No my. Obi o tumi double. No I say dey akira o. No common.
Ni me ni na.
It's not say we want to.
Ne bufu. We your papa dey we your mama.
Anya Crawford di match, omo di match. Hey Crawford. Nungwa for.
For Freezy there. He's a good boxer.
We too much.
And Nyoma be basics be respectfully or lake Nyoma kitten bi o wa and nona affecting one when you are on to me do baby SSO do and he must work on it. The trainers no so I'm working on it. So boxing no is about discipline.
Of course,
it's about using your ring IQ, intelligence, vision. Boxing here sport be our and Tembi I am use Floyd Mayweather.
Okay.
At the example. Floyd Mayweather is never a good pound for pound boxer.
Okay.
Say engineer honey and to But Floyd Mayweather is technically gifted.
Yeah.
Or a smart boxer. Enti sawoni ni jina ring mo a obe yusu ama obe bre.
Okay.
Or a smart obe dojo. Or no. Or you good I na nine feet no obe yusu. And the way obe swerve or ring ni mu no. At the end of the day obe say obe to lot of punches a obe dojo.
Yeah.
You get tired.
You throw but enkano.
Enkano. Ne nine no onim ne nine yusu. And it's unfortunate. Orthodox boxers and kasampo no. Say almost strength and ankasa no. Ewo omo right.
Okay.
And all you have to do is to make sure certain biano obe preventing so obe use on the right no.
Okay.
Because or per se who on the left no so say into the left no push up or ya na say who ko wechi no the right no abema. Into tem biano one na ko a your say who make sure say obe ban the right no so more. Because the more I ban the right and so say no, I say nsa we no, oba ha no mni bebre na, ontumi ntom fam wo.
Okay.
Are you getting me?
Technique.
Technique.
Yeah.
Nti ono baba be ko na esa woni obi be ko na nipa ne pese obo blow. Obe na ontumi mbo blow no. Ukọ wechi a no be bo blow. Nti tem bia bossa ne no baba be anase woni obi ku a. Opese ukọ wechi na wa bow.
By then where wide one. Wa me kontokwa o.
That was
the nyansa ne ba.
Rank IQ.
Enti na uka Fred Mayweather no.
Yeah.
Me so na me dream Prince Nassim Ahmed.
Thank you.
Se wo be kai na no ye skillful enti we no freeze onya obi to say Prince Nasima no onko hwe ne video na ohun ne skills no because no onko all the skills kan ho a
talent alone is not enough.
Yes.
Okay. Technique no.
Yes.
If uhia nyoma basics bia ebam to because unim ono de wo ye bulky no na ne nsam ye du no onya sa technique ne ka ho a physical bones no say oye nkakra no akwa ne ko nechi and no de ba kuma no boni poke crowd otowa nyankopon penguan hwe Nigeria de
we want to insist that like the act as it is now when signed by or the bill as it is now when signed by the president it becomes act. One of the sources is proceeds from competitions and tournaments. So for example, what FIFA is going to give us as a country, the $9 million, the 1.5 is for preparation. So that will go into preparation. But the $9 million would go into the fund, for example. Unless we incur some other cost that we just have to deduct that from it. If we don't, we would going to put everything into the fund. And once it goes into the fund, there will be structured utilization. So we can, for the first time, have infrastructure or edifices that we can point to that out of the World Cup, this is what we are able to do.
Mami going to the Ministry of Sports and Recreation. I also name a here, including National Recreational Awareness Day. I'm launch here. Jamestown, yes, Jamestown, yes. Bese manche ni mwa, and I'm launching a National Recreation and Awareness Program. No, Emma, me, I was there myself. Emma, you call, yen kama pa. And also, in himself, we're gonna for the Ministry of Sports and Recreation. They were taxed by the President of the land, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Say ebeya sika biara na ministry ni be say wo the national teams ne hono, the minister should make it public. On famra beto amontino bia hu sampa we ye taxpayers sika no say na ekomu Black Stars omo kodidi a omo beto ebon 10 cedis ombeji gari 50 pesos ombeji we 1 cedi na ni nyina na Ghana for ye hu bi so ke sika say na aban anase Ghana for ye de kwakọ shemu e Black Stars. Penny Kasano, and in one of the interviews, Minister Echo Stadium, one of the AFCON qualifiers, and as central for being minister. So now minister, and say no budget, you know, say, my name is minister, no yanti at the NSC. Emma no yan saw the budget in the Baba Twabontain. And then just pause. In Sri Lanka, Yankopon said, show where you show in penny for share. Yes, that's what I know. Because the results if you show in my banner, and your results get to especially on our editorial topics, editorial policies, and in some penifo tana akano, penifo ni tia, omu tia na supom. And ye beka wa ha. Nibo so me kra. And it say Minister of Sports and Recreation, Honorable Kofi Adams, Efre, Central for Siemra, on ye onhemudie. And ye koya. O se ne budget FF1 ne dia bado, be so nya ne public, se ne man penyi akano, be so ni so sa. Yes, right. Right. Biawa the master and then you are the buy. Minim se budget no ho no ma yen hwe bi kakra o screen so. Now the key issues on the budget no got to do with winning bonus. Winning bonus na you say aban fofo na atwam no na mutua $10,000 e de mo per game. Omutua mo per game. And the minister we ba no se da bi. Too much. Inte be ya omuntua 5 emfa mo. Kobo game no mo winning na. Omenya $5,000. Na omu ko wie qualifiers ni nyina na yetimi qualifier na 5 na aka chire no na ye de amomo and say 2 games no mu win ye no ye be di ka amomo 10,000 because 5,000 10,000 na omu tumi de qualifier 2 games na aka no mu win ye no na asa ne 10,000 a piece so de amomo na say 20,000 which Ghanaians embraced it because it was a laudable idea and then your cost so sir intino minister edit to yanim and then Bakua or sounds to the buyer na Ghana for be brain ase got to do with coaches almost winning bonus. Coach Otuado, ye winning game be no $20,000. One game $20,000 no aje. And the minister said there be too much and the minister here then. Eteso is why any 10,000 on the end of conk or we need game ni pay 10,000 we say su on account mo into no so de e buy assistant coaches almost so de me ensa ni nyina no ye two rather two no almost near more $30,000 and the minister said there be assistant coaches na mo head coach je 20 at so about 10 mo be se mo mutu no so mo nye 50-50 there be and no so no minister and no so so about $15,000 for a year omutu ni nyina nze omba ye ne 75 a omu yenu ntamasem no and omu ye ne sa na ye nim say Black Stars nipa okita boss nipa okita jersey nipa ono na ice chest on a copper block ice block de ba e de begumu na nsuo no tumi e freeze na afa nsuo bi nsuo no nchele drink bi o man tumi nchele no omo nsuso na chest scared de momo no na nya asem ketwa minister said there be no nsuso nti ono nsuso no otesoa ma ni nyina bedu 4,000 the backroom staff no kit officer video analyst media officers omo nyina omo tete suma ne ba 4,000 nti ni pass 4-5 na wono no omo nyina be che $4,000 na nya asem ketwa ono nsuso oye ho adwuma na ministry esanso cancel bibi ahonom na Ghana for bebre ani ewurae na yete say ye mom fuo nko Ghana backroom ha Black Stars backroom ha omo ndi 3 weeks impo omo ni 3 weeks according to the Minister for Sports and Recreation sika nampin for the Asha budget so was $5,000 and yes dang $5,000 dang adam kokokra fuo a whole tank aba na $5,000 is too much ona na minister efa red pen just one frame point misase e na red pen you say so chamu na esa fe die minister otete enema bebre so na afi the Ghana fund so near because hey it's go when you now going to the Black Stars within 2 me some about need 3 weeks in po na ya tofu $5,000 and I calculate $5,000 oh cedis for mama a day so you na mama $5,000 in cedis and a minister ede e hwe anu nsumu there is afi the ye hwe ne ekọ enti anu nso kọ ekọ animu no afi the budget can e mu was around $2 million for 2 September qualifiers games 2 matches no 2 games na kwa kobo no na budget was $2 million in here F for the man minister na $2 million inte chichechwa ne mu na san abu chichechwa inte no na wo screen so no chichechwa mu no na che say ya teswa ma FDS kanu kraba be drew $1.3 million enti na che say $5,000 na nkomliko tofu no eno nko aye 56,931 $560 million fuo nko $560 million minister chamu enti no he screen so a ba could be incidental expenses eno nko na ye $60,000 sika we me ka calculate a ha phone kure bedum $60,000 and only sika almost incidental expenses e be a player be pra or say emergency services or say aba or we say means bi na malam bi aba sha ye de sofu bi ba or say nkoto oil this man incidental expenses niema ye ntumi fa ye ni nkyere say we besi ana we besi incidental and nko na ye $60,000 minister said there be too much and so o teso o twa $40,000 free mu ama ne ka $20,000 then o screen no so no nti we ye nioma dodo na minister ye in the year 2025 ema Ghana sports then you moving forward budget overrun yabe kwakọ ya African Games last year no wa be kan wa se mebre na ye review tina me bobo so de ama no ene nya nte se parliament approve $195 million some of fancy infrastructure no hono ma ene bia ade betumi enya wo kruma se na be ya event ya African Games na tumi afa no ntoma pafra $195 million ene omo ye afa de nim ni ekokosi ye nkote a the next budget expenditure omo de call parliament ye say almost spend $250 million including the infrastructure and operational cost no $250 million and a ska ekomu no. Na ade bi si last year di room this year. Okay. Minister, former minister Mustafa Yusuf Kokan say, "Omuma GBC in excess of $3 million some of fencha all African games no." Okokan ye pe awia kete because ye ntiase e GBC am $3.6 million some of fencha game no, fencha African games no. Na nje no. Hey, but yet tiempo ne say volunteers are no mo ye media for no ye ntu omoka. Na 3 million na afa ante bia na yete se omopanyi ba konso ba say minister boa minister selewa minister we try and throw and ye back and forth and say ye di wura afi mu a afi di aban sesaye and you ma bebre sisi ye and you ma bebre sisi ye na the saddest of all na me dey see the saddest of all na me catch you Kofi say ye ntam kese ya Ghana ye mpese ye bekai ntam kese ye pa mpese ye bekai 2 boxers, 2 prolific, energetic boxers free this year. 1 Nigerian, Olarenwaju, yes, Gabriel Oluwasegun. Gabriel Olarenwaju Oluwasegun. Obewu Okromoha, 29th March 2025. Boxing now collapse ye KKKKK. No wo ye am ehon sem koyi bibre no nam so krampo ma GBA ni koyi kote or resigning so adwuma ko ntumi nye biom ehon sem bibre Krobia Sante Kotoko, one of the biggest clubs in Ghana or in Africa. This year I'm call Africa with the CAF Confederation Cup prelims first game ekoye Kora United ebeje wa ha beje for 3 ha no mo call away na omni so ko press wa na ne Kotoko qualify to the next stage of the competition. Na ekwanim no ene ekohia with that. Yenya kran konkobo with that no. Na Kotoko fans ni bi ye e na kwara for the yen drop yom ne na kwara ye twen with that. E na with that for ye twen man na omni be wo ye ni se so. International 6-1 aggregate 2-legged games ni na 6-1 e na Kotoko elusu ye e na e ba fie. Then baby any Gold Stars enso so ni JS Kabili ebo wa ha ene no som ko ye no so san kokko jigu om ho 5-1 enso ho no ma ho sem koye bebre koye bebre ama no so ba na wie no na chese Gold Stars enso so makwa kwaje 7-0 on aggregate. Gold Stars kwaje 7-0 aggregate e shom ho ama mo so ntumi an qualify from that stage to the group stage of the competition. Into no one highlight no say Kotoko any Gold Stars ko Africa ko buka mu enyina e kai anko yi anfa momo nti local league ni de sebe this year no nyama nhyeda anfa ma two teams are representing the nation or the continental stage. Yan 2018 war the Ghana Football Association e honso so nyama bebre na na sisi ye okay say August 12th 2025 omokoye congress e wo Ghana Soccer Center of Excellence pram na omokoye no amendments ahodo omoye in the constitution or in the statutes no ni na eba into fruition. One of them ye na the controversial third term ema mpanyifo no ekogi tumu na afenso no ba kon so omosangi tumu no got to do with say oba na owo executive council no so no automatically oba be the second vice president of the association and also so omogi tumu and afenso so no voting ho nsem no omom koto to abande hu say 114 delegates omo voting in favor of the decision for the presidency to go 3 terms. Emu 5-6 omo tutiae 3 dom so omo to 3 no manto including Kotoko reps no omo so omo to aba no ampan so manto, but the majority omo echo in favor of the amendment for the 3rd term of the GFA presidential seat. Teno so esiye e ho so asem koye bebre happen in August 12th 2025. Enu mu na obe kai se Alaji Grusa Edeba ha se o de asem ne ko Court of Arbitration for Sports say on tia se sade ntina omakwa kwahye kokuo mu na omaya sade because FIFA mra no so nkyere sade no ntina okwa test the law cars eso asem so mu bedi asem no omo ye investigation ba ko mi no mo fra asem no ba ko omo fra second one third one omo the verdict by the verdict got to do with CSA oma to sa protest no ato baby because omo chere say en hold waters enu ntino Alhaji Groups asem no they call cars no engina and also so happen here this year